Hi guys. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of recreation video. I've seen them a lot on YouTube now, and I've always wanted to do one, but I don't have any makeup, so I can't really do makeup ones. So one of my favorite YouTubers, SIMPLYNAILOGICAL, right there. Well, she's known for nail tutorials, but she does like other stuff sometimes, which I'm totally fine with. I don't know why people get so mad about it, because all those other videos are hilarious too. So I decided to follow one of her videos. So it turns out I was going to do another video, but I didn't have the same sort of materials that she had in that video. So I'm going to be doing the one where she does multi-chrome and then the raindrops on top. But it turns out Safiya this channel, she also did a recreation, which I'll link in the description down below. So basically I'm recreating a recreation. That's an interesting title. Let's get on with the video. Alright, so the video's gonna appear right here.
Well, hello everyone, it's me Christine again. And no, that's not actually water on my nails, but it could be. I've seen this technique around for a long time on Instagram. Think we call it the water droplet technique? Not sure. Raindrops? Shiny blobs? Sure. But let me guess, you may not even be here for this nail art tutorial.
So I'm going to skip to when she gets to the actual tutorial part, because she kind of talks about a giveaway thing.
So I'm starting off with the peel off base coat because I'm gonna peel.
Alright, so the first step is a peel off base coat. I kind of have that, but I have glue and she hates glue, like literally despises glue. But I'm gonna do it anyway so I can peel it off after. So here's my like homemade peel off base coat. See if it works. I'm gonna be doing my left hand because I'm a righty, so it's easier to paint that way. So yeah, see, she doesn't like how it's like milky like that. I'm not gonna show you guys what I'm doing because it's a tricky setup, so just have to deal with it. So that's the thumb. Alright, so I finished my peel off base coat, and since it's glue, it takes a really long time to dry, so I'm gonna be here for a while. Okay, so she's doing a multi-chrome, which means that she's putting on gel polish and then she's rubbing on powder, but I don't have the powder obviously. Alright, so I have this color actually, and it's this. So basically it's its own multi-chrome. It goes from purple to green or green to purple, whatever. So I'm gonna use that as like the base that she's using, like the fake powder. So I'm gonna paint my nails this color, and then I'm gonna do like the water droplet thing. Alright, so I finished the base part. So now I'm going to watch more of the video.
Okay, back to the all gel based nails. To do the raindrop effect, I wanted to make the background a little matte, so I would have a contrast between the shiny raindrops and the background. So I'm just applying a matte top coat on top of the multi-chrome.
Alright, so I don't have a matte top coat, so we're just gonna skip that part in general and just try to see if it will come out the same way, because I don't have that. Alright, so now we're getting to the raindrop part.
I put it on my nail art mat, and I'm just taking a tiny brush and painting dots on it.
Alright, so that seems pretty simple. I have a paintbrush right here, like these kind of like cheap ones, but I don't have a nail art mat, but I could use, I'm just gonna use the lid of this. And then I have clear nail polish right here, and I'm just gonna like put like a glob of it on there. Okay, let me see if this is gonna work. I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm gonna do it on my thumb first. It does not look good. She also said that you could use a dotting tool, so I'm gonna try to use like the back of it maybe. This is not working. Oh wait. It's kind of working. All right. This actually looks so good. You see that? It looks very similar, except, you know, like the background's not matte. But it looks amazing. I'm so surprised on how good it looks. All right. So I'll be back after I finish doing all these other nails, and then we'll watch the rest of the video. All right. So the bubbles have dried. So now I'm going to watch the rest of the video. Alright, so apparently for the rest of the video, she should put a glossy taco on. So I'm going to try on my pinky, because no one really pays attention to the pinky, to see if it will be like dulled if I put glossy taco on. So let me check. Yes, so it dulls out the bubbles. But that's fine. We're just not gonna pay attention to the pinky. Like, but everything else looks so cool. I'm gonna do like a close-up afterwards. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video because big things are happening over here. If you like videos like these, please comment down below. So answer the poll right here, and that will let me know if you guys want more videos like this. It was really fun to do. I'm so excited that it actually worked, and I might actually wear this. Make sure you guys come back next time. Look out for my next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Sippy sippy. I don't know. Sippy sippy thing. You got somebody. Ugh. I hate this song. And answer the poll right here. No, actually the poll isn't gonna be right there. It's gonna be right here.